Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain you how to repeat a character or pattern in SQL Server with an example. Okay. So I am going to explain it to you through this pattern. Okay. To achieve this pattern, first of all, we are going to declare a variable and as many rows you want to print. Data type integer and its value 5. You can change this value also. Okay. Initial variable data type integer and its value 1. String or pattern you want to print. Length varchar 1. We want to print this pattern, so I am assigning this value. Okay. We are going to print this pattern using while loop and a replicate function, which is inbuilt function in SQL Server. While and I less than equal to and okay. Again and now we are going to use replicate function. Print replicate string. I am using this variable here, and how many times you want to print this string or pattern. For this we are using this variable. Okay. In the first iteration the string will be print only one time, in the second iteration 2 times, in the third iteration it will be print 3 times, in the fourth iteration this will be 4, and in the fifth iteration this will be 5. Okay. Now we are increasing the value of I by 1 plus 1. Okay. Let's execute the command. See here, you can change this value from 5 to 7 and any number. Let's check again. See here, 7 rows. You also can change the pattern also. You want to start something else, you can use here like has. Okay. Let's check. See here. Thank you for watching this video.